So this area on our property is a known mud pit. As you can tell, kind of work these spots over, try to get it dressed up as much as we can, but this is kind of where we come from down in our back field, go up into the barn, or you can come up into the front of the property. But when we get a lot of rain, you can see this turns into a ravine. So I try to dress this up as much as I can for the time being until we get another downpour again. But things actually have dried out. We've had a lot of wind here, and at least it's dried up and hasn't been so rutted. So here on our farm in Southwest Michigan, we have a couple seasons we go through. One is mud season, where our driveway turns to mud, and that's where we're at right now. We have summer, where everything turns to dry sandy soil and sand blows everywhere and dust all over our house and barn and everything. And then we have snow. So those are our three seasons we have here in Michigan. But today what I want to show you, what we're working on, is some of our mud issues. We have giant ruts from when we run the Polaris around our driveway. So my plan is take the Kubota. Ivy's out helping me today. Take my little Kubota and drag these humps down so when we drive around, it doesn't kill you. So it's going to probably be a short little video, and this little Kubota is a nice little tool to have here on our farm. It's helped me out a lot. We did have that issue with the bevel gear, but once we got that straightened out, seems to be working good. So stay tuned. Since I already had Keaton running the Kubota, I figured we could load this skid up and take it down to our brush pile. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.